Alright, what's up 18? What's up sa mga kabalbas ko dyan? Wala na akong balbas. Anyway, I was getting ready to to go to the church na para magsimba. And ano ko kasi routine ko kasi to before going out, I am playing worship songs, either local or foreign. And disclaimer lang, napanood ko na to itong video ni Pablo worshiping yung singing what a beautiful name it is, what a beautiful name. And mas na feel ko kasi ngayon, kasi yesterday ko ba napanood yun, or yesterday, yeah, yesterday sa bus. Mas na feel ko kasi ngayon parang this is my quiet time, kasi before going to church nag quiet time talaga ako. And let me show you some, hindi na masyadong mahaba kasi we all know, I know na napanood nyo na lahat to dahil solid kayong 18. And to some of you, most of you na fan kagaya ko ni Pablo. And Pablo is yeah, Pablo is my bias actually, kasi we're both Christian, na kapatid ko sa pananampalataya si Pablo. And I've been waiting for this. And yeah, ito yung part na kinilabutan talaga ako. I mean, look at the backups. They are worshiping. I believe they are Christians also. Yeah, sing it with heart, bro. Nice one. Oh, there you go. Dito na ako kinilabutan, mga kabayan. Imagine I'm watching or attending the concert of Pablo and singing worship song with him, singing praise songs with Pablo, your idol, your role model. Ang sarap siguro sa pakiramdam. And alam mo yon, I saw the video na nilapitan pa talaga niya yung crowd. And I don't know, surprisingly the crowd are singing with him and they know the song. So nakinikilabutan talaga ako nung pinapanood. Hindi ko kasi actually pinapanood masyado nung nasa bus ako. Pinapakinggan ko siya and it was so good. And ngayon ko siya na-appreciate. And of course with the band are, they're also a good band. And yung mga backups, sabi ko nga, I believe they are Christians also. And yeah, tignan natin yung ibang clips pa. So yes. Oh my God. You have no... See? Alam nila yung kanta, pare. Nakakakilabot to, pare. Promise. Alright. Anyway, hindi na ako magtatagal. I'm about to go to church na. And ang gusto ko lang i-share yung nararamdaman ko about this. I've been waiting for this sa mga matagal ko ng subscribers na 18. Alam nyo na ang tagal ko nang inaantay ito, na Pablo will do this kind of act or performance sa concert. I don't know, concert ba to ni Pablo solo? I have no idea, kasi lately hindi na ako masyado nagsa social media because of nakaka-toxic na yung mga nangyayari sa Pilipinas. And I'm just focusing on my health and dito sa Korea sa trabaho ko. And sabi ko noon pa to, during, I think, pandemic pa yata to. And I was, yan, nag-react din ako sa video ng The Ones. And The Ones also, they are Christians. They are my brothers also. Sabi ko, kudos sa The Ones dahil talagang they are very vocal. And this time, Pablo, you just gave me another reason to love you. Man, bro, I really appreciate you, what you did here. And kailangan natin to, Pablo. We all need these types of this kind of, ayun na, nag-alarm na yung ko, punta na daw ako. Kailangan natin tong mga act na to, mga performance na to in front of people, lalo na sa mga hindi pa believers. Pablo, keep doing this, more of this. Sana sana magkaroon ka ng marami pang ganitong performances. And God bless Pablo, God bless the SB19. I believe Ken also is a Christian, and yeah, just do this kind of ano, and for sure God will bless you and mabibless lahat ng mag-attend sa mga concerts na gagawin yung may ganito, pare. I'm so proud of you, Pablo. God bless, bro. Sabi ko nga, you just gave me another reason to love you. Bro. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Sana maintindihan nyo na nagiging busy na ako this time, and I still love SB19. I still love, of course, Pablo. Solid pa rin ako. Sabi ko nga, ginagamit ko pa rin sa mga gym soundtrack ko yung mga kanta ng SB19, mapaluma man or bago. So yeah, let's go. Let's keep supporting SB19, of course, my guy Pablo.